How to upload files in GoDaddy. The first thing that we'll need to do is load up the GoDaddy website, then click on your name in the top right corner, and here we will go into My Products. Now, depending on which provider or hosting you're using, you will either have Managed WordPress, or in the hosting section, you will click on this drop-down menu and then you will select Manage. The process is the same for both, so either if you're using hosting or WordPress. So then here, in my case, I will go into Settings, and if we scroll down, you should see the file browser, and we want to click on Open. This will load up the WordPress hosting file browser separately. And here you will see a list of all of your different files, and if you want to upload files, you will just click on Upload here on this button, and if we click on Upload File, you can select the file that you want to upload, and it's going to be added to your GoDaddy website. And that's basically how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.